Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is All Media Access News. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. Hit the notification bell for future updates and live streams. This is day 2 of snow here in New York City. Um, Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell for future updates and live streams. I hope everybody's been enjoying their day and so far their Monday, and you guys had a great weekend. If you want to support my channel and support what I do, you guys are more than welcome to donate to my channel. I'll leave the PayPal link below. Um, but besides that, this is day 2 of snow here in New York. Um, I want to know what state you guys are in and if there's any snow out there. You guys could definitely let me know in the comment section. As you can see, the sky is completely gray and white here in New York. They're saying it's supposed to snow till probably like 3 in the morning or so. So this is a little view of it. I definitely want to know what you guys think. And I also appreciate everyone tuning into my video yesterday on the first day of snow. There was snow all over the floor, but in this case, it's actually like snow mixed with rain, so it's not gonna stop until like 3. But there it is. Everyone has umbrellas, going about their business. Literally. Definitely hasn't stopped. And by the looks of it, possibly by tomorrow, it'll be a lot more. But like I said, I want to know what state you guys are in, and if there's any snow, how many inches of snow. And are winters like this wherever you are? So the buses over here, they put chains on the wheels. It makes it easier for them to drive the bus. But definitely let me know what you guys think. I'm very appreciative of each and every one of y'all being supportive, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button, of course, and subscribe. Definitely hit the notification bell for future updates and live streams. And let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want to support my channel and continue to do what I do, I'll definitely leave the link below in the comment section. God bless each and every one of y'all. Please stay safe. Keep your families safe. Stay warm. There is a lot of people that are very less fortunate to actually live out here and really, going through something. So always be grateful and be mindful, and appreciate the things you have instead of the things you don't have. Learn to love one another, respect one another, accept one another for who they are. Nobody's perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. But always remember, when you point one finger, you got 4 back at you. So that's just something to think about. But God bless y'all. This is All Media Access News. Peace.